Alright, this is a backup camera install on a CRV. So the camera was done on the tailgate. Tailgate, basically where I installed it, was right above the license plate. Hopefully you can see it there. Okay, let's see. Here we go. So here's where I installed the camera. Hopefully it's visible. There it is. And the wiring was fished in through the back panel, and fished it through the connections here, all the way through the front. And what I decided to do, which is a little different compared to what I have seen elsewhere, is that I decided to mount the display inside this little door, this little handy little door on the CRV. So once you open it, there you go. And there is the rear view camera. So again, I did not use the cigarette lighter. I could still use that for charging my phone and so on. So I didn't want to like occupy this for the rear view camera. So I decided to hardwire it, and I angled it. I angled the display. It's a little. You could see that it's a little angled, and because it's only the driver needs to see this, so it doesn't really matter if the passenger sees it. But it's working well. It works really well. And as soon as I shift out of reverse, I put it in park, display goes off. And then I shift in reverse, boom, display goes on. So this is done on a CRV, second generation. I've seen a lot of installs being done. Actually, there's one install. If you need to see how to get into the back panel, there's I believe there's Jack of Trades, Master of None. He did a video on that. Very good video, very good extensive video. But he really didn't show how he mounted the camera, nor how the display looked. So I just wanted to do a video, which is it's like a little addition to what he did on this model of CRV. And again, no wires, no nothing, completely hardwired. So no wires sticking out, and it worked really well. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope this was helpful and gives you some ideas on how to mount the display. All right, bye-bye.